It's Steve Maxwell here from BaileyLineRoad.com, and I've been working on something huge with my team for more than 6 months. It's finally time to let you in on it, and I feel like a kid on Christmas Eve. I've created an online community for everyone interested in home improvements, home workshop projects, tools, and hands-on living of all kinds. But it goes beyond anything I've seen on the internet so far. Many of you have been following me for decades, in magazines, newspapers, and online. And that got me thinking, how could I build something unique for you? Something that harnesses the full power of the internet for delivering the kind of information you need, quicker and better. I started creating hands-on content in 1988, in print only, before the internet was a thing. But now that we can connect with each other much better digitally, I've seen the potential for a dedicated space to learn and get better as a group. No one else is doing this. This isn't just another random online course, it's a complete program for anyone who truly wants to master DIY, self-reliance, and practical skills of all kinds. It's called the Bailey Line Road VIP Community, and it delivers a unified package of things I've never seen together anywhere else. First, you get full access to all 15 of my online video courses on home improvement, woodworking, off-grid energy, rural living skills, tool preparation, and a lot more, with more courses coming on stream all the time. You also get one-on-one priority guidance from me and support from a friendly community of like-minded members who are practical people just like us. There's also exclusive articles and videos created especially and exclusively for the community in response to your requests whenever possible. You'll get access to live Q&A events, members-only tool giveaways, and ad-free browsing experience on my newly redesigned flagship website, all in a fail-proof learning structure. Let me show you what the VIP community looks like firsthand. Here's the section where you get full access to all my online courses. These sell now for anywhere from $50 to $200 each for those outside the community. There's a member section where both the community and I answer questions and share ideas, all with fresh, exclusive content published weekly. The VIP community delivers a one-of-a-kind springboard for you to become more capable, gain self-reliant skills, reduce dependence on expensive and scarce professionals, and develop ways of thinking for tackling hands-on challenges, all in record time. It's like a turbocharger for your practical life, and like-minded people are part of it. So imagine you're midway through finishing a tabletop, or maybe your welding results need some help. Let's say you can't get your chainsaw going, or you want advice on finishing a basement. No need to grope around in the dark on your own online. With a VIP community membership, you can reach out directly to me or other experts to find the help and solutions fast. Many heads are better than one. To celebrate the launch, I'm giving away some fantastic tools. The first is this DeWALT 20-volt cordless drill driver. Just sign up for the VIP community and you'll be entered automatically. The sooner you join, the better your chances of winning. As useful as the internet is, it's also disorganized, creating unnecessary gaps and frustration for practical people eager to learn. There's also lack of support for getting specific answers to questions in a timely way. Things can be so much better, and that's what the VIP community is all about. The bottom line is personal transformation in a practical and hands-on way. It'll fast-track your DIY workshop development in a way I've never seen happen anywhere. So this is my personal invitation to you, whether you've been following me for decades or you're brand new to the Bailey Line Road family. I'd love for you to become part of the community as we build something amazing together. So click here to join and you'll automatically be entered into the giveaway for that DeWALT cordless drill driver. Thank you for all of your support and friendship over the years. I'm excited about this new chapter in our time together. Leave comments and questions below and I'll answer you personally.